And look, playing with the cats.
I like cats. Look, she's letting me pet her.
Morning, guys. Huh? I put all the remotes right here.
Over here. You took them,
Yeah, I did.
okay.
And yeah, we're going to. I went to bed last night there.
Oh, this doesn't work.
Why?
Blocking my signal.
I had. Oh my God.
I can't. The unit is behind the table.
So anyway, guys, I went to bed last night very late, like till 12 o'clock. I did pack all the stuff and wash the dishes for dinner tonight, and yeah, and I took some stuff out from the refrigerator outside because it's frozen. Give to him. It's a doorbell and it's with a camera, and I hope my husband will install it later. You know, this is what my husband gave me for Christmas, and the intuition. And yeah, he went to go crazy. It's all earrings. So I'm brushing my hair right now and blow dry it and put makeup on and be ready. Hi guys, we're done. Everything is done. It's not really done yet, but I mean everything is prepared. Later we're just gonna, my husband's going to. I'm sorry about the video. I'm sorry about the video. It's very loud because my husband is watching something, a show, while waiting for the people to come in. But yeah, so yeah, everything is here. Food is here for dinner, and plus some of the ham and the mushroom that I did. And this is the, you know, when people's coming here, snacks before dinner. I don't know how you call that, but we prepare this for them. Chips, vegetables, pretzels, I showed it to you, and the cheese. And my husband is drinking scotch. My husband's drinking scotch, so and he's in the front.
This is great. This is good. It's really, really good.
You got it, man. Which I
can pay attention.
And we prepare this table. We prepare this table here for later, for extra, and then we're gonna open one here later too. And that's our Christmas tree. We opened our gifts already this morning. I told you that, and this is for the people who come in. So yeah. What hand did you call me?
What's that?
Did you call me?
Did I call you? No, I was talking to Rich. He just called it wishes and Merry Christmas.
Okay.
After he ate tuna, he's belly full, he's happy, he keeps happy, out of trouble, I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
I'm going to turn those back on.
It's still very hot.
Oh, they're too cool.
What exactly needs to be improved about I just think there have to be alternatives to pumping boys.
The whole table has to fall over for them to fall.
Or we could just do what the doctor recommended that.
They're solid as a rock.
I'll show you some ginger bread. Oh, you're using your magic trick.
Okay, I took them. But it's your fault for putting so much pressure
Put
on
it
me.
close to the table here.
I hate being right. No, you don't.
And look, playing with the cats.
I like cats. Look, she's letting me pet her. Hey, baby. Where's your brother?
Hiding.
You want to hang? I'm not.
Pear tree, the light blazes on it and just stays on the partridge
Oh,
and the pear
wow.
tree outside. It is so cute. And then he got me the
Those
old time
things-
chocolate
those salads still
place
cold,
that
huh?
I thought was really great. And the conveyor
This
belt.
is
Yeah.
The outside conveyor belt
Oh,
has
salad?
String
the outside
beans,
conveyor belt has the wrapped packages, and the inside
String
conveyor
beans
belt
with
workers
onion,
has the loose
mozzarella,
boxes of chocolate with
and
loose
tomato.
chocolates.
You want some? I don't even want to know anymore.
it's pretty good.
I think you were feeding the first battalion or what?
The 6-foot table's not covered
Really?
anymore. It's not big enough. It's too crammed in.
If I put wet food for both cats and one was around, once one finished it, it would go after the second bowl.
That's what they do.
No, she's not eating it. She's
No.
leaving it for him.
That's right. But
She walks
Well,
away
vice
and leaves
versa.
him have- lets him have it.
she's more the dry food.
Oh.
We're having dinner already. It's late. 7 o'clock. We're having dinner.
Oh.
Oh, this is my sister-in-law, Andrea.
Hi, how are you?
Honey,
Merry Christmas.
honey, she does
Picture
it.
the food?
Huh? Yeah, I did. So we're having dinner. Plate. My husband's plate. Oh, you need something more of that, huh?
No, he said my mommy's
Huh?
sitting there.
Throw, Cheetah.
Huh?